A babysitter is boiling water to make pasta for the kids. She trips over a loose floor mat and spills the pot, suffering serious burns to her legs and feet. She needs surgery, misses months of work, so she sues the family. But the parents say, it was just an accident. We're not responsible. So here's the question. Is this just bad luck, or should they be held liable? How would you rule? A trusted babysitter is preparing dinner in the family's kitchen. Kids playing in the living room, all seems normal. But a loose corner of a floor mat near the stove catches her foot. She stumbles. Boiling water spills down her legs. She's rushed to the ER, diagnosed with second-degree burns, nerve damage, and faces weeks of recovery. Now she's suing for medical bills and lost wages. The family? Shocked and denying responsibility. Here's what the law says. First, is she a guest or an employee? If she's considered a domestic worker or employee, the family may owe her workers' compensation coverage, or could be liable under premises liability laws if the home had unsafe conditions. But if she's just an occasional sitter, paid cash, and not formally employed, it's harder to sue, but not impossible. The babysitter claims the mat was worn and dangerous. The parents never warned her, and she was injured while caring for their children. The family says it's her fault for spilling the pot. They didn't create the hazard. In one real case, a nanny slipped on a leaky kitchen floor while cooking for the kids. She sued, and the court ruled the homeowner was liable because they failed to fix a known hazard. But in another case, a sitter dropped a knife and cut herself, and the court ruled no liability because it was part of the normal risks of the job. So what do you think? Was this just a tragic accident, or should the family have warned her and made their home more safe? How would you rule? Drop your verdict in the comments. If you've been hurt or someone else's property, even while working, you may still have a case. I'm Ashley with Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane. 980-999-9999 and follow for more How Would You Rule? Because sometimes the law isn't so clear, and that's where you get to play judge and jury.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.